Welcome to Bennetts Bedrooms. In this video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about one of our manufacturers called Sleepeezee. Now, Sleepeezee are artisans of sleep and have been producing beds since 1924. They also hold a warrant of approval from His Royal Highness, the Prince of Wales. They got that warrant in 1985. Now, a Royal Warrant is only issued to companies that can provide you with the best of British design and excellence. Sleepeezee beds are a phenomenal design. To have a warrant on your bed is a brilliant way of having a manufacturer say to people, this is how good we are. It's a royal warrant of approval. We're so happy to supply Sleepeezee that we've dedicated over a tenth of the main flagship storeroom solely to Sleepeezee. Now, all Sleepeezee beds and products come with a full 10-year guarantee. Let me just tell you some of the products that are in a Sleepeezee mattress. British wool with mohair, bonded cotton with British wool, soft tech pocketed springs, horsehair, double layers of traditional pocket springs, damask material, tufted mattresses. All this handmade in Rochester in Kent for Sleepeezee, exclusive to Bennetts Bedrooms. All Sleepeezee mattresses are in stock and available for immediate delivery. For any further information on the Sleepeezee range of beds, why not click back on the website and or just contact one of our talented sales team at Bennetts Bedrooms.